Back on the road again. Had a bit of a minor disaster with the microphone because I've lost the windproof cover. But I'm sure that's something I can find spares. Maybe I need to order 2 or 3 spares. Just every time I seem to take my helmet off, the wind cover comes off on the microphone and it just, you know, blows away somewhere. So I do need some spares. Right, heading back to Mountain View now. Seems to be slow traffic everywhere I go today. Oh yeah, back up to Tequila Reef. Gonna take a right at Tequila Reef. Hiya, Paul.
Hello, mate.
All right. Was one of the members of my pool team. I started playing for a pool team at Paradise Garden restaurant bar. So he's the non-playing deputy captain of the team. Coming back out towards MacArthur. I've really no idea how this microphone is doing, particularly as I've lost the wind guard now, but we'll find out when I try and upload the video later. I didn't actually do what I said I was going to do. I was going to experiment with the visor down, but it's just too hot a day to have the visor down today, so I need the fresh air as I'm driving. Let's see if we can cut across the main traffic of MacArthur now, which is quite challenging sometimes. Yeah. Maybe I got the chance here. There's a lull in the traffic up here. There we go. Getting close to rush hour, so it's all boxing up now. It's very congested. Come on in, guys, let's go. Let's go. Everyone's trying to switch lane to what they think is the most accessible lane that's moving, but they're all jammed here. See if I can get in between these two. That's better. Mountain View, welcome back. Nice poet. Bird's eye view of the poet. Cannot guarantee the face matches, but no complaints about the poet. For those that don't understand Tagalog, the ass. Ah, thank you, Mr. Grab driver, for blocking my view. Very inconsiderate of you. Now I've lost my view altogether. Wow, everywhere is traffic today. It's the store on the right of my friend Philly in the Philippines, Brian. Let's go, come on guys. At last we're moving again. It's quite hairy sometimes when you make the decision to overtake someone on the inside, because you just have no clue whether they know you're there or not. Looking for Hadrian Street. That's Rena Street, so I think the next street is the one I want. Hadrian Street on the left. And that will take me up to the market. Hadrian Street in Mountain View.